The break-even point is the number of items that must be manufactured and sold so that the manufacturing costs are exactly the same as the incoming revenue. In other words, if R of x represents a revenue function and C of x represents a cost function, the break-even point is the number of items x that must be sold so that R of x equals C of x. The revenue and costs are the same. For example, suppose that a small bicycle manufacturer has daily fixed costs of $1,800 and each bicycle costs $90 to manufacture. Part A, find a linear function for the manufacturing cost C that depend on how many bikes X are produced in a day. The cost function C of X will be the cost per bike, $90 times X, that's 90 per bike, plus fixed costs, which we're told is $1,800. In part B, we're asked, what is the cost to manufacture 14 bikes? That is simply C evaluated at 14. 90 times 14 plus 1,800. So in the calculator, 90 times 14 plus 1,800, we get 3,060. This is the cost to produce 14 bikes in a day. Part C, if one bike can be sold for $210, find a linear function that relates the revenue R to the number of bikes sold in a day. R of x is the number of bikes x times their cost, 210. So we have 210 times x. What is the break-even point? The break-even point is when revenue and costs are the same. So we have 210x. We want that to be equal to the cost function, 90x plus 1,800. Subtract 90x on both sides. We get 120x equals 1,800. Divide by 120 and we get x equals 15. So that represents the number of bikes, 15 bikes. This is the break-even point in a day. If you sell 15 bikes, the cost and the revenue will be the same. So if this is your company and you want to make a profit, you need to sell more than 15 bikes.